Faded Garage here. That's my boy Meeks. Today's gonna be the first car show of 2020. Stay inside. Oh, someone's bumping over there. But yep, it's gonna be the first car meet 2020 in my Focus RS with its new turbo as well. New turbo and some bolt-ons I'll be talking about probably in another video. Cause I was making a video of me putting on the parts, but I ended up getting backtracked and just putting the parts on. And here's the machine. We're gonna be ripping it. This is the intro. It's gonna be some sick fucking cars over there, and hopefully we can get a little running. I'm running like 440 crank, bought some cleaner. It's gonna be a hell of a good time. I'll tell you that. It's been a while since I got to fucking see some other cars. I'll see you in the next clip. Show your pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I don't want dollars. She got all the miles, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me, you ain't say all in front of your pockets and chill. I'm the type to let they think that I'm broke until I pop out with a million. I take 20K, put that on your head and make one of your partners some kids. Yeah, they fucking with me and you gotta grow up. Cause this nigga gotta be kidding. This shit ain't fit in my pocket. I got ain't gonna be no more laughing. You see me with cause I'm gonna be the shot me a nigga. No cap, I don't follow no bitches on ice, but all of your bitches they following me. And that nigga ain't gonna shit with that girl. He just pull it out in this piece. Packing the mail, it's gone. So like I smell cologne. Yeah, just on the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want. Good. Play if you want. Let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. Packing the mail. Yo, my boy. He's back. Sketchy. Some people are too sketchy. Sure, yeah. I'm so happy I'm parked down there. What? He was so slow. That was worth it. That boy gets the over everybody. Right
I know.
She wanna be my baby mama, girl, you on the right track, yeah. Put it in the face, I
Tire's flat. Still going? No, you had this Oh, they got the big body smoking. Big body smoking. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Let him know, let him know. Big smoke. Oh, that fucking smoke. Rip and eat, right? Yo, smoke that Dodge. Oh, let me smoke some of that. I told him to smoke that Dodge. What's next? Next time I gotta bring one of those charger packs. Just keep it plugged in my pocket. It's such good quality, Oh, watch out for that guy. They all do it. That's stock. That's stock. That's a good weapon or stock. That shit's good. I haven't even turned on the shit. It's all working. Get out of the road, shit! That man took off. Those boys on the...